Alright, hello guys. JC's first time getting a drink from a vending machine.
No, verse 4.
4? 4, 6?
4, 6.
Which one is 4, 6 there? Honesty.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see. Whoa!
Oh,
Amazing. Nice.
now get the change.
Get the
Okay,
change.
who's next?
James' turn.
Turn.
Okay, James' turn.
Use the coin. There you go. Hold the coin. Okay, what are you gonna do?
Okay, carry James.
Put here. Put it here.
You
Okay.
have to carry him.
Ready?
There you
No,
go.
here.
Ready? 2.
2. One more.
3.
And then you press number 4. No.
Number 4.
No, this one 4 and 6. No.
There. Oh man, and is it ready? Nice. Okay, can I see your nesties?
Oh, ito naman.
James, can I see your nesty? Nice. James, can I see yours?
Yay!
Good. Okay, Papa will open it for you. Okay.